Hello, everyone. Welcome again to International English Guru, where dreams come true. I'm really excited today to be with Achintha, who scored 50 in his very first shot with us in only 1 week of training. Excellent job, Achintha. Your teacher was superbly happy when she told me your scores, and just in 5 days of training, you got your 50. How was it possible?
I think I trained a lot of because of I got the right path, and mainly good thing is I follow the tricks. That's the main part. Because last few time I did exam 2 times, but I don't know what the tricks I just doing on my exam. But this time I follow so many tricks.
Right. So you followed the right strategies. And
Yeah.
Did the teacher give you new templates, or you still used your old templates?
Yeah, teacher give me so many templates, and I use retail lecture template because I got before too late template for my other essay and summarize.
Right.
And yeah.
Okay, right. And I'm really excited here because the most beautiful part is when a student prepares for, say, 50 or 65 or 79, what their eyes look for is, where is 50 written? And when I looked at a scorecard, it showed a perfect 50, right?
Yeah.
So this is what you targeted and this is what you saw. Exactly. It was not 51, it was not 49, right? It was not 55. It's just that beautiful 50. Tell us this, Achintha. Your maximum improvement, it took place in writing, right? You improved by 10 points. What brought that about? What
actually
did the teacher suggest you for this improvement?
Yeah, because she told me the mainly focusing the spellings errors, and because last so many times I'm doing spelling errors, and this time I'm focused really for the spellings, and that's why I think today I have 55 for the writing.
So the biggest change which she made you do about is the spelling. She got you focused there. Cool.
Yeah.
And what about listening? Here also your score improved from 40 to 47.
Yeah, of course. Because I think she told me a lot of practice, because always listening is very bad point in mine, but this time I did well.
Right. Okay, Achintha, how much practice did you do?
So many, because I follow that sheet for teacher gave me, and every day I did 20 question per reading and listening and speaking, and everything 20, 30. And after mock test, she told me doing more 30 question for writing and listening, but I did.
You did a lot of practice. That is good. So every day, how much time did you devote to it? Because you studied for only 1 week with us. How much?
Actually,
2 hours every day, 3 hours?
Yeah, because I have only 1 week. That's why I doing the full time. Maybe, that's why
this is equal to 3 weeks. Then if you're giving it 1 full week, that's equal to 3 weeks.
Yeah, full time in, but I'm starting 10 o'clock morning and only doing the 6, 7. That's why, and so many breaks.
Wow, that is great.
But I'm focused on what you just told me.
Sorry?
Yeah. No, I'm focused. The teacher told me and everything, and I focused for those things. That's why I think.
Right. So you focused on whatever the teacher taught you. So what I understand about Achintha's case, look, if any one of you out there who's targeting 50 overall for TR reasons, one thing that he did wonderful here was he took 1 week off. You know, he gave it that time, because I know most of you are so busy, you want to do it, but then you're not able to give it enough time. So first thing, please make sure, compromise anywhere else, put that time out. Time is important. Second, he followed his teacher. His teacher asked him to do 20 questions, 30 questions, 40 questions, learn up the template. He did all that. So that's fantastic. Now, the third thing which the teacher was mentioning was you postponed your exam by 3 or 4 days on the teacher's insistence.
Yeah, 3 days. I think that's really important.
That's very important. Yes, tell us about it.
Yeah, that's really important. Actually, my test in 26, but she told me, Achintha, you're doing the test 28. but I changed. I think that's really good for me because I practice so many things in that 3 days.
Yes.
I'm really happy about that.
Yes, that was such a good decision. Otherwise, it would have been
Yeah, that
$385
decision is
lost.
really important.
Yes. So the teacher asked you to extend your date by only 3 days, right?
Yeah, 2 days. Yeah, 2. Yeah.
Days.
Yeah, 2 days, 2 or 3.
Or 2 or 3 days, right? So just
Yeah.
2 to 3 days. Sometimes students are so much in a rush that I must get my results this week, right? Just extending it by 2-3 days, if you can really clear it, that's a better idea rather than sitting it and failing it. So another thing Achintha did really well was he listened to his teacher, extended his exam date by another 2 or 3 days, and that has brought such a good score. Achintha, you did the entire course online. So how was the teacher's support? How were the recorded lessons? How is it that the entire thing helped you?
My teacher gave me one-on-one attention. Yeah, I got my feedback and I got my time and I doing my very best.
Yes, that's right. Fantastic, Achintha. So you're all set. Your TR is safe now. We are so happy.
Yeah, safe.
Achintha, there are at least 15 other students with us right now who are targeting 50 overall, right? And they're very scared. They're very scared, right? Because they don't get much time to study, and whatever the time they get, they end up stressing more and studying less, right? What tips would you like to give to those students? What counsel would you like to give to them?
I think don't scare, because when I'm doing the mock test, I have really less score. But my teacher told me don't worry about that and don't scare, and always be positive and confident, and doing our best. I think
that makes a difference. Absolutely. Perfect. That was great. It was wonderful meeting you, Achintha. You've actually done a superb job of getting this score in just 1 week time. You have inspired so many people. Now others won't be scared of 1 week, 50 each. Is it possible or not? Because we can tell them, look, Achintha did it in only 5 days. So anyone else can try it, right? So fabulous. And thank you so much for joining me today. You're a very brave boy. Keep it up in life.
Thank you. Thank you so much.